Hey there, little explorers. Are you ready? Today, we're diving into a magical explainer. It's basically like opening up this huge, colorful storybook of tomorrow. Let's peek right into the future. So, I have to ask, do you want to see a magical world? A place totally packed with, amazing super robot helpers and super fun surprises? If you're ready to hop aboard, give me a big nod. All right, let's turn the page. Okay, first up, look at this. It's kind of like a magic thinking cap. See, our friend Nolan here uses this tiny invisible computer right inside his head. And get this, he can actually play his favorite video games just by thinking about them. He just thinks, go left or go right, and it happens. Pure magic. And oh, beep boop, check out Kai. Kai has this absolutely amazing futuristic robot arm. It's so smart that when he wants to grab a toy, it just picks up on what his nerves are saying and moves all by itself. It literally makes him look like a real-life superhero. Now, you know when you're in the car and it goes beep, beep, and you're just stuck waiting? Well, what if our cars could just fly? Whoosh! Instead of waiting in all that traffic, soon we're going to be able to soar super high, straight past the clouds to wherever we want to go. But wait, can a car drive upside down? Actually, yes. There's this super fast car with these giant spinning fans underneath. They act like big suction cups, so it sticks right to the ceiling safely, kind of like a speedy little bug defying gravity. How totally silly is that? Zoom. Okay, imagine this. You're out camping in the woods, right? And you really want a sweet treat. Well, these friendly little flying robots, called drones, can actually zip through the sky and drop off chocolates and marshmallows right to your campsite in just a few minutes. Yum. Okay, we all love chicken nuggets, right? Well, scientists are making this kind of magic food in special labs now. They grow real, yummy chicken meat. But the best part? They never hurt a single bird. All the chickens get to just stay happy and play outside in the sun. Now, shh, scientists are acting like secret detectives right now. They're using ancient clues from frozen tusks to try and wake up the woolly mammoth. It's basically this huge, super fluffy, sleepy elephant that lived a really, really long time ago. Roar! And those magical scientists, they even brought these giant, ancient dire wolves back to play. And I mean, what do you even feed a giant, ancient puppy for a party? A giant, delicious cake made entirely out of meat, for sure. Chomp, chomp, chomp! Whoa, look at this. It's a massive biosphere, kind of like a giant glass bubble. And inside, it actually rains indoors, real trees grow, and we can pick fresh food. It's basically practice, getting us all ready for when we build our homes on completely brand new planets. So that means, are you ready for the biggest adventure ever? Let's move on to our next amazing trip. Put on your space helmets, click those seatbelts tight, because we are heading straight to the stars aboard a giant rocket ship. Here is how we do it. Step 1, we build a giant, massive rocket. Step 2, we cover it in these super strong tiles, like a magic heat shield, so it doesn't get hot even if real fire touches it. And step 3, we fly up, up, and away. All right, let's start the exciting countdown. Shout it out with me nice and loud. 3, the giant rocket ship to Mars is starting to wake up. 2, imagine the ground starting to shake. You can feel that giant engine starting to rumble, right? And 1, okay, the absolutely crucial thing right now is to hold on tight because we are finally leaving Earth. Blast off! Woohoo! The rocket is zooming way up into the sky. It's carrying hundreds of people to our brand new home on a red, dusty planet called Mars. And we'll get to live safely in those amazing glass bubbles we saw. You know, this incredible future? It's waiting right there for you. So whether you want to build flying cars or maybe help wake up those sleepy, fluffy mammoths, what magical things are you going to build in our future? There is so much more to learn and create. Keep dreaming, little explorers.